Good afternoon, dear children. Are you ready? Okay. All of you take your pen and write this question. First of all, we are starting with one problem. Write this question. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and one more. This is the problem, right? Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 5 are composite numbers. We have to explain why these two numbers are composite numbers. There are two questions given here. First one is 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Okay. Given question is 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Yeah, we have to explain why this is a composite number. What is a composite number? Composite number means number having more than two factors. Okay, we have to check it whether it has more than two factors or not. Okay, then 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, we can write that in this 13 is a common number. So we can take 13 common out. 13 into 7 into 11. 13 already taken, that's why no need to write, plus 1. Okay, now we can tell 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, we can write as 13 into 7 into 11 plus 1. Now from this 13 into 7 into 11 plus 1 means it has, now 13 is a factor, 7 into 11 plus 1 is another factor. And also we all know that 1 is a factor of every number. Yeah, we can see two factors here itself. One is 13, another one is 7 into 11 plus 1 and one more factor 1. That is here it contains more than two factors. So it has more than two factors. More than two factors. Yeah, right here. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Yes, 13 it is. It has more than two factors. It has more than two factors. In the bracket, you write 13, 1, comma, 13, comma, 1, comma, 7 into 11 plus 1. 7 into 11 plus 1. Sorry. Are the factors. Then close the bracket. 7 into 11 plus 1 are the factors. Implies given number is a composite number. Given number is a composite number. Clear, dear children? Nothing more. If it is a composite number, it must contain more than two factors. Here we got one factor 13, another one is the inside of the bracket, that is 7 into 11 plus 1, that is we will get one answer, 77 plus 1, that we are not writing. Anyway, that's a number, that's a factor, and 1 is a factor of every number. Now we say we got 3, very sure that it has more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. Yes. Now next, what the next question given, the 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Yes. From this also we can write 5 is a common number. 5 into 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 plus 1. Now we got 2 factors, 5, then inside of the bracket. Here also again 1 is a factor. 1 is a factor of every number. What we can write? It has more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. I write the 5, 1. It has more than 2 factors in the bracket. 5, 1. And what's the other factor? 5, 1. 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 plus 1 are are factors. Implies given number is a composite number. Okay. Here also we can write 5 into 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 plus 1 means 5 is that's a product. Into means 5 is one factor. Then what inside of the bracket, that is also another factor. Then 1. 1 we are not writing there, but 1 is a factor of every number. So there are, now we can see 3 factors. That is more than 2 factors. So that number contains more than 2 factors. So it is a prime number. Sorry, it is not a prime number. It is a composite number. Okay. I think all of you completed these two. Now we are moving to the next problem. Okay. 5th problem. Fifth, check whether 6 raised n can end with the digit 0. Check whether 6 raised n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Check whether 6 raised n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. I think no need of explanation. You all know the same type we done last day. Okay, anyway we can do. 6 raised n. Yes, equal to, what are the first factors of 6? That is 2 and 3. 2 into 3, 4 raised n. That we can write 2 raised n into 3 raised n. Yeah, we all know that if a number is ending with 0, 2 and 5 should be the factors of that one. Then only that number will end with 0. Yes. Here 2 and 3 are the factors, but 5 is not a factor. Then right here 5 is not a factor of 6 raised n. 5 is not a factor of 6 raised n. 5 is not a factor of 6 raised n. Okay. Then what we can conclude? So 6 raised to n does not end